In this video, we're going to talk about x and y intercepts and graphing straight lines using the x and y intercepts. So recall the x-intercept. Let's put x int. This is where the graph crosses or touches the x-axis. Okay, it's where the graph crosses or touches your x-axis. And the y-intercept, this is where the graph crosses or touches the y-axis. Okay, so let me show you an example over here so you see what it looks like graphically. So for the x-intercept and the y-intercept, so this here, this is the x-intercept, right, because this is the x-axis, and this here, this is the y-intercept, because that's the y-axis. So to find the x-intercept, right here, I'm going to use a different color here. So this yellow dot here is the x-intercept. So if you think about it, the y value is 0 here. So to find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0 to find it. Okay, and then to find the y-intercept, which is this yellow dot here, notice the x-coordinate is 0. So set x equal to 0 to find it. So this leads us to a cheap memory trick. So to find any intercept, you set the other one equal to 0. So to find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0. To find the y-intercept, you set x equal to 0. So to find any intercept, you set the other one equal to 0. This is really nice for graphing. Let me show you an example. This is the fastest way in the world to graph a straight line, at least in my opinion. So 3x plus 6y equals, 12. We can graph this without showing any work, but we will. We'll show some work. So the fastest way to graph this is to just plug in 0 for x and plug in 0 for y. So if x is 0, you get 3 times 0 plus 6y equals 12. So you get 6y equals 12. So y equals 2. We just divide by 6. So when x is 0, your y value is 2. So 1, 2, boom, there it is. So look at that, we found the y-intercept, right? So if you plug in 0 for x, you get y equals 2, and so you get 0, 2. If you do y equals 0, you get 3x plus 6 times 0 equals 12. So you get 3x equals 12. So you get x equals 4, because you divide by 3, right? So when y is 0, x is 4. So you get the point 4, 0. So boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, put a dot, then you connect the dots, and you have your straight line. So to graph any line, just plug in 0 for x, plug in 0 for y, connect the dots, and you graph the line. And what makes it even better is that you've actually found the y-intercept and the x-intercept at the same time. That's it.